So in this example, I'm going to show you how to find the domain and range of a function. So we have a function that is defined by, well, it's called f, and it's defined by f of 0 equals 2, f of negative 1 equals 6, f of 2 equals 4, and f of 3 equals 4. This is in fact a function because remember, there has to be exactly one output for every input. And so even though we see that 2 and 3 are paired with 4, it's okay because remember, this is not ambiguous. 2 gets sent to 4 and it gets sent to one number, and 3 also gets sent to 4. You can have two different inputs sent to the same output. You just can't have the same input sent to two different outputs. So it's kind of like if you're going on a trip, you can have two people going to the same place. That works, but the same person can't go to two different places. And that's why we sometimes call a function, we call it a mapping, because we're sending the input out. And you never want to have the same input sent to two different places. That wouldn't work right. Okay. So anyway, in this example, we have a function, and it does behave like a function. Remember, a function is just a collection of ordered pairs. So I could write this as if I input a 0, and the input always comes first, right? If I put in a 0, I get out a 2, okay? This is the output. It's on the outside of the function, and the 0's on the inside. So think of this as the input, and this is what comes out, okay? And then this describes another ordered pair, -1, 6. And here we have 2 gets sent to 4. So 2, 4 is an ordered pair. And then 3, 4 is an ordered pair for our function. So this is a numerical representation. And we might say that f is the set of ordered pairs that I've listed here. This is more of a symbolic representation. And now we're going to find the domain and range. The domain is just all possible input. So what are the inputs? And the domain is single variable data, okay? The function is a collection of ordered pairs. That's 2 variable data. But the domain, we're just looking at the first number in our ordered pair. And we have, I'm going to put it in order. We have -1, 0, 2, and 3. Those are the possible inputs, so that's the domain. And the range is the possible outputs. So we have 2, 6, and then we're not going to write this twice. We're just going to have 4 listed once. You only put each element in the range listed once. So 2, 4, and 6 are the all possible outputs. That's the range. It's that simple.